Hi everyone, my name is Ruby Vo and I'm a professional makeup artist. Today I'm going to be showing you a few tips and tricks for monolids. My first hack is a trick I like to use when applying eyeshadow. Use the darkest shade at the bottom towards your lash line and lighter as you move towards your brow bone. So for my middle shade, I'm going to be going in with a mixture of Torch and Delirious. I do like to bring out my eyeshadows just to a little point so it can kind of shape your eye also. For my lightest shade, I'm going to go in with Moccasin. Just going to be applying that to the top right here. You can even take a large fluffy brush and just run it along just to make sure everything is blended. My second hack would be to do your eyeliner with your eyes open. Look straight ahead with your eye open, and I'm just going to do a very thin line first. I'm just going to follow my lower lash line and draw a line up from there. And then you want to connect those. So depending on how you want your eye shape, just look how your eyes relax and then connect the two. And then from there you can just fill it in. And that's what your liner should look like. So my third hack is to make sure you're using a curling mascara. I know my lashes are short and straight and they have a hard time holding a curl. First, I'm gonna curl my lash. Next, I'm gonna take Benefit Roller Lash. You just wanna do tiny strokes back and forth to focus it on your lash line, because it will really hold your curl. Then I'm gonna do the same to my bottom lash line. That wraps up all of my hacks. If you try out any of these tips and tricks, let me know what you think, and thanks for watching. Bye guys.